In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up multi-currency in Wave Accounting. First, sign into Wave. Open Wave Accounting in your browser and log into your account as you normally would. Once you're in, we'll confirm your company's base settings so everything lines up correctly. Look to the top right corner and click your business name. From that menu, select Business Settings. This is where you control key preferences for your company. In the left-hand menu, click Dates and Currency. Here, review your default business currency. This is your main or base currency, the one your accounting transactions and financial reports will use. Even when you issue invoices in other currencies, your books and reports will still be presented in this main currency, which keeps your financials consistent and comparable over time. With that confirmed, let's create an invoice in another currency. Head to Sales and Payments, then click Invoices. Choose Create a new invoice to start a fresh one, just like you would for any regular billing. You can fill out your usual invoice details as needed. Now to switch the currency on this invoice, scroll to the Invoice Total section. You'll see a currency drop down there. Open the drop down and choose the currency you want to use. For example, CAD, EUR, AED, or AUD. The choice you make here changes the currency of the entire invoice, including the totals and currency symbol. From this point on, make sure any prices you enter are intended for that chosen currency, so your customer sees accurate amounts. When everything looks good, click Save and Continue. That's all it takes to issue an invoice in a different currency. You can repeat this for any new invoice where you need to bill in another currency, while keeping your business currency the same for your core accounting. A quick but important note about multi-currency in Wave. Wave allows you to send invoices in a variety of currencies to match your customers' locations or preferences. However, your underlying accounting transactions and your reports, like your profit and loss and balance sheet, remain in your main business currency. This design helps ensure your financial statements stay consistent even when you're billing internationally. And that's it. Multi-currency invoicing is now set up in Wave Accounting, and you're ready to bill clients around the world with clear, professional invoices while keeping your books tidy on the back end. Thanks for watching.